Hello, hi, welcome to the Lipstick Chat. We are back with another episode of Genesis. Now, Gabriel can see that all these walls are closing up on him. All his secrets are out, and now he needs a plan B. What is plan B? He is now crying wolf. He is crying wolf so that the wife can believe Uguti Vele indeed he is a changed man and all he wants is all good things. Now he is even speaking as if Kimoto, who's considering going to therapy and stuff, and tells Ubonko Uguti Bonko, you will be CEO for the day because I need to go to therapy in. Poor Bongo on the other side, well, this one is paying him because he wants he wants the position of a CEO and doesn't want Ubongo to take his rightful seat as his father left him the legacy. What he does now, girlfriend Umaruna is busy now also playing Ubonko. Umaruna presented herself pure to Ubonko as if she was never touched. And now this is the day of the butternut and the butternut needs to be cut. Now, upon cutting the butternut, it will be visible if Ugirl was touched. Now, Umamaga Maruna decided to then give Maruna a red food coloring to pour on the sheets so that Ubongo doesn't see Uguti something happened. Ubongo can continue to believe that there is blood that was spilled and therefore Vele yonke lento Umaruna begayisho is the truth. While Umaruna knows that it's a lie and Ugo also has or had a child. So how are they going to maneuver this? This is something that we all want to see. Will Umaruna win and get Ubongo trapped and maybe get pregnant and finally be married to Ubongo and live that life that the mother is aspiring to, or what will happen? But also on the other hand, Ufistos uzibona nje ayi-manager ka-Ishmael. He sees himself as this person who's going to go with Ishmael to great heights. Remember, they were struggling together in Kukwini. They hustled together and they are where they are because they both encouraged each other. Even though the voice, the talent is with Ishmael, but Fistos did his fair share of making sure Uguti Ishmael uyashayina kanjalo. Now there are demands that he wants. He wants a car, he wants an apartment, and he wants groceries and a credit card. So will the company give them this while they are recording their album, and will the album do well? I think the other question also, will the community love Ishmael enough to buy Ishmael's music?